Yo, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gun Plus Studio. At sa video na ito, ipapakita ko yung mga July 2025 overhauls natin. Mga nabili na naman natin during the sale, mid-year sale. Yung 6677. Ayan, ang dami na namang budol na nakakuha si Kimmerman Gun Plus Studio. So, umpisahan natin sa pag-review ng mga items na nabili natin. And mostly lahat ng items ko are from China. Ayan, baka marami sa inyong mga nangongolekta ng Chinese model kits nowadays or recently. Talagang napamahal na rin ako sa mga Chinese model kits. And unang-una dyan, umpisahan na natin itong si Fat Cat. Ayan, RX-78 model kit ng Gundam na sabi nila is ito daw ay pinalaking version ng real grade from Bandai. And hindi ko masyadong kinonfirm yung ano na yun, rumors or fact, kung fact man talaga siya, but I think this Fat Cat model kit is okay naman kasi based on the reviews na nakita ko sa Facebook and sa ibang platforms, okay naman itong Fat Cat at maganda daw yung plastic quality. And chinek ko nga, okay naman din, kompleto. By the way, this Fat Cat I ordered kay Hobby Toys or kay Hobby One. Ayan, si Hobby King. Ang dami kasing pangalan niya. Pero this is from Hobby or Hobby Wang. Ayan, Hobby Wang na lang para uniform. So thank you so much Hobby Wang for selling this Fat Cat to me at an affordable price. Actually, ang tagal na itong dumating sa akin. Usually kay Hobby Wang, ang bilis lang mag-order sa kanya, pero nagka-problema dun sa sa courier. Ilang beses bumalik-balik sa SOC. So still okay naman, i-review ko kung kumpleto yung laman at kumpleto naman. So Hobby Wang Fat Cat. And next is BB White Knight. Ayan, from Snapfit Collectibles. Ayan, nabili ko ito sa murang halaga and I bought it around 1,000 plus yata, ganun. So hindi naman siya kamahalan. So this is a Chinese model kit again. And medyo nakyutan lang ako sa itsura nito kasi naalala ko yung mga Bomberman, yung nilalaro ko sa computer, family computer and sa Windows 95 dati. Yung parang isang doll nito kamukha ng Bomberman. And again, this is a BB White Knight. Di ko alam kung anong pinagbasihan nito, wala akong idea. To be honest, nangongolekta lang talaga ako. Pero cute siya. Gusto ko dito yung itsura niya na bumabaril siya ng Jolene. Ang cute kasi, para siyang SD Gundam. Although I'm not a fan of SD Gundam, baka ngayon maging fan na ako after buuin tong BB White Knight. So ayan, ito yung box niya. Ganda yung box art niya, decent. White and ayun, merong itsura ni White Knight doon. So BB White Knight from Snapfit Collectibles. Then this one, Broken Blade, I forget kung saan ko nabili kasi may mga bagong Japanese shop na naman sa Shopee and nawala na yung mga kilala kong Japanese shop. May mga nag-uusbungan na naman na bagong panglaso ng mga Hapon. And so we go with this Kotobukiya Delphine. Ito talaga yung pinaka gusto kong bilhin noon pa. Ang hirap lang kasi maghanap nito, buti nag-reissue Kotobukiya. Pero yung ibang kasabayan ng Kotobukiya sobrang mahal like yung Alnoa Zero, tapos yung sa tawag dito Gold 4. Yes, Majestic Prince Gold 4. Ang mahal, putang ina. Hindi ko mabili kasi sobrang overpriced sa ibang Japanese shop. So maghihintay lang ako ng mga pagmura-mura nito at mabibili ko din. And of course, Kotobukiya Delphine. Ayan, isa sa mga, I think this is the protagonist kit sa Broken Blade anime. And meron na akong nabuo nito noon, yung Fafnir. And fortunately, that's a good kit. So I hope this kit is also good. And based on review from previous modelers na nakabuo na nito is maganda naman. Okay, so this is a Kotobukiya kit. And there, let's go with another bootleg. So this is a bootleg F90 Gundam. And this is the same with the previous F90 I built from GTO or the 012. So this is a bootleg company. But this is the purple version ng F90. So gusto ko lang makolekta yung purple version nito. Kasi mas maganda para sa akin yung kulay ng purple compared dun sa Unit 1, which is the traditional protagonist colored Gundam. So this one, F90, so hindi ako masyadong excited, but I just like the color of this. So hindi naman malungkot yung F90 na binili ko nung una. Para may partner siya. Okay? Then let's go with the Orange Cat Industry here. I got here 100 Edge. So this is the basic version. So I find the 100 Edge Arma, the one with additional armors and weapons na una ko binild na noon, to be nice. But I much like the simpler version of this transforming model kit here. So this is a model kit that transformed from a tiger, Mecha Tiger or Lion, I don't know, na magiging humanoid siya. So, ang galing, astig. Nastigan ako talaga sa model kit nito from Orange Cat Industry, and based on my experience of building several Orange Cat Industry, okay naman yung build nila, or okay yung plastic model kit nila, maganda. So, this one is really nice, and yep, the simpler version, so I include it because I like the basic version of the 100 Edge. And let's go with my two Holy Grail kits here. I got here the first Holy Grail SNAA or Supernova kit, the Fire Lord. So, sa inabahaba ng posisyon, I got the Fire Lord. So, ang tagal kong naghanap ng mas murang version nito. So, I bought it around 1,800 and I forget saan ko ba nabili ito. It's either Mech Player or kay Hobby King. I don't know why. Let me just flash it below kung ma-check ko na sa Shopee. So, I bought it for about 1,800 if I'm not mistaken, or kung naalala ko ng maayos. So, Firelord here, SNAA, para makompleto na natin yung tawag dito, yung Monarch something nila, like yung Blade King, Martian Emperor, and now the Firelord. So, I forgot the term, something Monarch like that. Anyway, okay, by the way, balikan ko lang. This 100 Edge I bought from Green Toy PH. So this is a Chinese shop na nagbebenta ng mga murang kit. To be honest, may paparating pa sana ako na although nandito na sa Manila Port, yung Gundam Vidar, which I bought only for 2,500 sa kanila. So legit naman kasi ito, magandang dumating sa akin. Hopefully yung Gundam Vidar nila okay din. So that's the cheapest Gundam Vidar that I bought, and that's from Dream Toy PH. So this F90 fighter, by the way, I bought it from Snapfit Collectibles. Thank you so much, Snapfit Collectibles. So ang dalawa na ulit ako sa kanya. And my final Holy Grail here is this Solomon Physalis, and this is from Neo Hubs. And thank you so much again kay Neo Hubs. And ang tagal kong hindi nakabili sa'yo, but now nakakita ko ng mas mura at affordable na Solomon Faisalis from Neo Hubs. I bought it around 2,600 if I'm not mistaken. So pinakamura. Unlike dun sa ibang shops na medyo may kamahalan like 3,200 up. So this one is much cheaper. So I chose Neo Hubs. So again, ang tagal ko nang gusto to eh. Or I'm hesitating to buy kasi dati gusto ko lang ma-protagonist. But now I shifted to collecting antagonist kit. This is my one of my topmost antagonists from Gundam. So the Solomon Faisalis by Annabelle Gatto. So again, thank you so much guys for watching this overhauls for July 2025, my mid-year 2025 Gundam or Gunpla and Mecha collection. So thank you so much for following my channel, for subscribing and watching my reviews. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying happy building guys, keep safe, God bless and take care. Auf Wiedersehen, masalamat, paalam sa inyong lahat. Round roll, 2 joints.